Hello, everyone. Welcome. My name is Jennifer Bautista. I am one of the transfer admissions counselors at Seattle University. Today, we will be covering how students can figure out if their classes satisfy our BSN prerequisites. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step will be to find our transfer planning guides on our web. If you go to seattleu.edu, you can go ahead and type in transfer planning guides up here in the search bar, and it should pop up. These transfer planning guides are unique to every major, as every major is going to have specific requirements and prerequisites. We're going to scroll down to nursing and click on that. As you can see, you see the prerequisites needed for this particular program, as well as the additional requirements for the program. The part we want to make sure we are paying attention to is this top section for prerequisites. These numbers are going to be important when trying to figure out if your classes will satisfy our specific prerequisite. Next step is to go to our Transfer Equivalency Tool. If you click on this link down here, it'll take you right to it. It's very important that you all read these instructions quite carefully. They provide exact directions on how to use and how to type in your institution to figure out the classes and if they'll transfer. So let's go ahead and give an example of Bellevue College. We type it in, we click on the institution, and we are presented with a database of all the classes that have been evaluated up until now. So if we begin looking, the first prerequisite for nursing is biology or math 1010. So if we go back and we're trying to figure out if our math class satisfies, we're trying to go to the M's. There it is. Okay. So in order for a class to be a direct equivalent to the prerequisite, it needs to be a direct equivalent to the course. So for our math, we require math 1010. That means that in this column, you will need to have a direct equivalency of math 1010. It cannot be math 1000. If it's higher, sometimes we can accept it, but you will want to reach out to our office for further guidance on that. But again, it needs to be a direct equivalent. So let's say someone is taking math 141. You can click on the course and it will tell you what the direct equivalent is. Math 141 Pre-Calculus 1 at Bellevue College does satisfy our Math 1010, which means that that satisfies our prerequisite. If you have a class and it says Math 1000 or it's underneath or it's not the direct number, again, it is important that it is a direct equivalent. This Math 1000 is too low to satisfy that Math 1010 requirement. It is very important, and it's going to be very helpful for you all to use the transfer planning guide along with the transfer equivalency tool. And the transfer equivalency tool will be linked on that transfer planning guide at the bottom of the first page. So again, you will repeat these steps for the next couple of classes. So biology, you will try to find the course name for the course you took. So we're going back, we're trying to find biology. Perhaps someone took biology 160 at Bellevue College. It needs to be a direct equivalent to bio 1100 at Seattle University. As you can see, Bellevue College is Biology 160 is a direct equivalent to Biology 1100. This is perfect. This satisfies the prerequisite. That will satisfy. An example that would not satisfy would be, let's see, Biology 162. This is too low. Again, it has to be that direct number, which is why it's helpful to use that transfer planning guide to see what specific SU course number needs to be met exactly to satisfy that requirement. So if you all have any questions, concerns, if you don't find a class, feel free to email our transfer admissions office. We are happy to provide some additional support. Thanks so much, everyone. I hope this was helpful. Take care.